Good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Just a second. There's a power cut, so I might look like a ghost. The actual ghost, bear with it. With the available light, I've just arranged something. Is the board visible properly? I guess it's visible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's not
sir.
that bad.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Hope the current comes as quick as possible. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the ghost version of myself. Yeah, so I said we have completed with the textual problems, right? And the other problems which are important for your exam. So let's do those things. Okay. There are only certain problems. Okay, we'll finish it off. Okay, let's start. Take down. Hope the power comes soon. If there is any network issue, please give me thumbs down, okay? So that I get to know. I've connected with my mobile data since there is no power. Yeah. Just a second. Take down. Find three numbers in AP. Find three numbers in AP. Find three numbers in AP whose sum is 21, whose sum is 21, and their product is 231. Find three numbers in AP. Find the three numbers in AP whose sum is 21 and their product is 231. Okay. We have to find three numbers in AP where their sum is 21 and their product is 231. Okay. I should have given a note. Okay. It's okay. I'll give the note now. Take down as a note. If in the exam they ask you to find three numbers. Okay. Three numbers in AP. Three numbers in AP. If they ask you to find three numbers in AP, you have to take it as A minus T, A, and A plus T. These are your three numbers. See, you could have taken like this. Usually AP hengirutte, first term A irutte, next to A plus D irutte, adadmele A plus 2D irutte. It keeps going on. You could have taken this itself, idanne tagondirbodaittu, but we are taking these two things. Idak munche enagirutte A minus D agirutte. Obvious alva? A plus D, previous one enirutte A minus D irutte. Now, why am I taking this? When we solve the problem, you'll understand. Okay, whenever they say three numbers in AP, you have to take it as A minus D, A plus D. Is that clear? Is that clear for everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Okay. If they ask you to find four numbers in AP, usually they ask you to find three numbers or four numbers. If they ask you to find four numbers in AP, then you must take it as A minus 3D, comma, A minus D, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 3. These are your four numbers. Okay?
Sir,
Just write it down.
sir, is it A minus 2D or 3D, sir, we should take?
A minus 3D. It's not 2D, it is 3D. Because I cannot take A minus 2D because I'm missing this A. In between, if you observe, I'm not taking the A. Okay, this will be the correct pattern. Someone has texted me. Okay, this is not from your actual NCERT textbook. Yeah, Madhura, this is not from your textbook. These are some important questions for your exam point of view. Okay, these are not in your text. You cannot see such questions in the NCERT, but such questions will be asked for the exam. So we are doing it. Okay, so take down the note. So if the question is find 3 numbers in AP, you have to take this. If the question is find 4 numbers in AP, you have to take this. Note it down. We'll move on with the next one. I mean, we'll solve the answer. Okay, I hope you have finished it. So the question says, find 3 numbers in AP such that their sum is 230. Sorry, the sum is 21 and their product is 231, isn't it? Let the 3 numbers in AP be. Let the 3 numbers in AP be A minus T, A plus T. These are my 3 numbers. As I said in the note, this is what you have to take. What they're telling, if I add all this 3, I will get 21. A minus T plus A plus D equals 21. If you observe properly, I can cancel this minus D and plus T, isn't it? Minus and plus gets cancelled. What is left out? A. Totally 3 A's are there. 3A is equal to 21. Therefore, A is equal to 21 by 3, which implies A is 7. Are you understanding why we took? Yes?
Sir, the question number is continuing or different, sir?
In this chapter, it's your wish, okay? Since I have not started it from the beginning, your wish, you can give a new number itself. Okay. As I told, you could have taken the 3 numbers as A plus D, A plus 2D. Starting derivational, first number A, next to A plus D, next to A plus TD. First 3 numbers ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಗ ನಿಮಗೆ you got A easily. But if you would have taken this A plus T, ಮೂರನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. A plus 2D equals 21. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Nothing would have been cancelled here. But here in this case, D cancel agi direct agi A value ಬರ್ತದೆ. That is why we are taking like this. Okay? Even if you take this, definitely you will get the answer. What is the next thing that they're telling? The product is 231. ಅಂದ್ರೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 231 ಬರುತ್ತಂತೆ. So A minus D, A plus D. You can see I am writing everything in bracket, meaning they are multiplied. Now we know the value of A. Let's substitute it. 7 minus T, 7 plus T equals 231. The 7 is in product with all the things. So with multiplication, the transpose mother division other. So what is left out? 7 minus T, 7 plus D equals 231 by 7. So cancel it. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Again 2 carries, 7 threes are 21. So you get 33. I hope I am correct. Yeah. Now, can anyone tell me what formula does it resemble? Idhu nodake ಯಾವ formula ತರ ಇದೆ?
A plus B into A minus B.
Very good. A plus B into A minus B. A minus B into A plus B. A ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ, D ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ D ಇದೆ. So A minus B into A plus B is A square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 square minus B square. B ಅಂದ್ರೆ D square equals 33. 7 square is 49. Minus D square is equal to 33. 33 na ise transpose madana minus D square to the other side. So 49 minus 33 equals D square. 49 minus 33 is 16. 16 equals D square. Andre enanta baribodu? D square is equal to 16. Therefore D is equal to plus or minus 16. Okay, now therefore plus or minus 16 andre plus or minus 4. So D ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, now therefore the final answer, therefore the numbers are simple. A value ಏನಿದೆ 7 ಇದೆ, D value ಏನಿದೆ 4 ಇದೆ. 7 minus 4 comma 7 comma 7 plus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3 comma 7 comma 11. These are your three numbers. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, I'll repeat it again. Three numbers ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾ? ಆ three numbers ನ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? A minus D, A plus D ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 21 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let's add it. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? minus D plus D ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. A plus A will give you 3A equals 21. So this 3 which is in multiplication, get it this side, look on division. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So A value ಸಿಕ್ತಾ 7 ಅಂತ. Okay, next ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 231 ಬರುತ್ತಂತೆ. So that's what I've done. A minus D into A plus D equals 231. Next to A substitute ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. A ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 7 ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? A value 7 ಅಂತ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. Isn't it? Now this 7 is in multiplication, send it that side, it will become division. 7 ones are 7 33s are. This is in the form of A minus B, A plus B. So A square minus B square. So solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ D value ಸಿಕ್ತು. The result you get. D value ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus or minus 4 ಇದೆ. You can take plus 4 minus 4. Minus 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು just ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. 11 7 3 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So ನಾವು plus 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. D value is plus 4. A value is 7. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 7 minus 4 3. A value is 7. 7 plus 4 11. Do it. Is it clear for everyone?
Sir, can you give one more sum, sir?
Yeah, sure. I'll give you one more sum. Definitely.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Do
Sir.
this. Yeah. Solve this, then I'll give you. Yeah. Can we go to the next one?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same question at togoli. Just change the numbers. Okay. Sum jagdal 21 itta, product jagdal 80 itta. Take it as 15 and 18. 15 and 80, 80. Find three numbers in AP whose sum is 15 and the product is 80, 80. Same type of problem. 21 is the jagdal 15 togoli. 231 is the jagdal 80 togoli, 80. Yeah, try it out.
So what is the sum and product? Can you repeat?
80. The sum is 20, sorry, the sum is 15 and their product is 80.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So answer -3, sir.
What is -3?
Sorry, +3, sir. Answer.
Which one?
Final
A
answer.
or D?
D, sir.
No, final answer. D. Okay, what about A?
I got 5.
Okay, good. A is 5, D is 3. Alva substitute ಮಾಡಿ. A is 5, D is 3. 5 minus 3, 2. A is 5, then 5 plus 3, 8. Therefore, the numbers are 2, 5, 8. Therefore, the numbers are 2, 5, 8. Very good. It's correct. The numbers are 2, 5, 8. Should I do it on the board for anyone? Guys, should I do it for anyone on the board?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, if you finish, I'll give. Am I audible now?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
am I audible? Okay,
Sir.
good, good.
Sir,
Yes, Manya? Yes,
sir, I'm not getting the correct answer, sir.
you're not getting the correct answer. Simple, same thing. Instead of 21, you'll have 15 here. So everything remains the same. 15 by 3 baratte. 15 by 3 is 5. That's it. Here, instead of 7, you'll have 5. 5, 5, 5. Here you'll have 80 instead of 231. Get this 5 to the side, so it will become 80 by 5. Here it is 5 minus D, 5 plus D. So the 7 badlu 5 square baratte. So it will become 80 by 5 is 16. 5 square is 25. 25 minus D square is equal to 16. Transpose 25 minus 16 equal to D square. From here, I guess you can do it. 25 minus 16 is 9. 9 is equal to D square. Therefore, D is equal to plus or minus root 9, which is 3. Which place have you stuck?
Sir, no, sir. I took 80 in place of 15, sir.
Okay, okay. The sum under addition. ಈ ತರ add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. A minus D plus A plus A plus D. ಇಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay. If you're finished, I'll give 2 more problems. I'll write it on the board. Okay. Just try it out. It is a bit different. Try it out. There you go. This is third one. Try it out. This is a bit different, but the concept remains the same. Try it out. The sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is 21 terms of an AP is 21, and the sum of squares, listen to the question properly, sum of squares of these terms, sum of squares of these terms is 165. Find the terms. So read the question properly and do it. Fourth one is the sum of first 3 terms of an AP is 48. The sum of first 3 terms of an AP is 48. If the product of the first and the second, if the product of the first and the second, if the product of the first and the second exceeds 4 times the third term, 4 times the third term by 12, find the AP. I'm just giving you different types of questions so that you can do it. Okay, try it out. I'll give you 5 minutes time for both the problems. Both are very easy. Don't get afraid of the question. I mean, it's very easy. Question correct go.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, third question once you read, sir. I did
The
not
sum
identify.
of 3 okay, the sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is 21. The sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is 21, and the sum of squares of these terms is 165. Find the terms. Sum of these
Yes, sir.
consecutive terms is, sorry, yeah, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read the question twice, you'll get it. The sum of 3 consecutive terms. Okay, 3 terms ಇದೆ ಅದರ sum ಎಷ್ಟು 21 ಅಂತೆ. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ತರಾನೇ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ, and the sum of squares of the term. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, sum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Squares of the terms. Think properly and do it. If you read the question twice and thrice, you will get to know what is being asked. Is anyone finished the third one? Guys, are you there or you guys slept off? Oh, what is happening? VN, everyone has kept your videos off. Guys, are you there? No, it's like a booth bangla, huh? I'm entering a booth bangla and I'm asking, is anyone there?
Yes, sir.
What? You mean to say this is a booth bangla or what?
No, sir.
Others? Joyce, Caroline, are you doing it? I hope I'm pronouncing your name properly.
Sir,
There is Shash-
A7, D is equal to 3.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Some answer. Okay. Tarun, Kunal, Mandeep. Yeah, are you getting the answer?
Sir, A is 7 and D.
Okay, simple. Yeah, A is 7. 3 terms na A minus D. 3 terms on the question bandrene, you have to take the same thing. A minus D, A plus D, A minus D, A plus D. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 21 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So D plus D cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 3A is equal to 21 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which implies A is equal to 7. At least have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, good. Next ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the sum of squares of the terms. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? A minus D, A plus D ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಬರೀ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರ ಎಷ್ಟಂತೆ? 165. ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 7 minus 3 whole square plus 7 square plus 7 plus D the whole square equals 165. ಈ 7 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 49. ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 7 minus D the whole square plus 49 plus 7 plus D the whole square equal to 165. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ 49 ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಸೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಒಬ್ನೇ ಇರಕ್ ಭಯ ಅಂತ ಆಸೆಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಅದನ್ನ ಆಸೆಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 7 minus D the whole square plus 7 plus D the whole square equals 165 minus 49. Okay, na? What is 165 minus 49? 15 minus 9, 6. 15 minus 4, 11. 116, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Just check it. Yeah. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 7 minus D the whole square, 7 plus D the whole square. ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಂದ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, you can use the formula A minus B the whole square, A plus B the whole square, and you can simplify it. Or directly you can do it. There is a formula that I'll write it here. Okay. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ A minus B whole square ಮತ್ತೆ A plus B whole square ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be equal to 2 times A square plus B square. ಇದೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A minus B whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು A square plus B square minus 2AB plus A plus B the whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು A square plus B square plus 2AB plus 2AB minus 2AB ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ A square ಇದೆ? 2 times. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ B square ಇದೆ? 2 times. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 times A square plus B square. That is how you got the formula. So ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ. So A minus B the whole square ಇದೆ, A plus B whole square ಇದೆ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 times A square plus B square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 times A square ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 7 square plus B square ಅಂದ್ರೆ B square equals 116. ಈ 2 ನ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬರೋಣ. 7 square plus D square equal to 116 by 2. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 2 ones are 2 58s are. Is that clear? Now what you get? 7 square is 49. 49 plus D square is equal to 58. I hope ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Is there any doubt here?
No, sir.
Yeah, I hope there is no doubt. Sum of squares ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. 49 ನ ಆಸೆಟ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದೆ. So 165 minus 49 is 116. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? A minus B whole square plus a plus b whole square. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 2 times a square plus b square. 2 times a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ d. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. That's it. Yeah, please do it. Make it fast. D value, ಇಲ್ಲಿ d square is equal to 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore d is equal to 3.
Sir, the
A
numbers
is
are
equal
4,
to
7
7.
and 10.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, that's correct. ಇಲ್ಲಿ d value 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. A value was already 7. A is 7 and d is 3. These are your correct answers. Okay, try out the next one, fourth one.
Sir, A is 16 for fourth one.
A is how much?
16.
Yeah, good, good, Madhura. That's correct. Yeah. A is 16. Good. The sum of first three terms of an AP is 48. And the product of the first and the second exceeds the fourth by 12. Still, you guys didn't get it. Okay, Keetana and Shreya.
Sir, the
got it,
numbers
yeah.
are 7, 16 and 25.
Okay, 7, 16, and 25. That's correct. Keetana, Shreya, excellent, excellent. Okay, good. People who didn't get it, I'll give you 2 more minutes. Try it out. Okay, good, Fida. Very good. Okay, people who have not got it, I'll just help you out. A easier ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. Normal A minus D, A plus D add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ D cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3A equals 48. Therefore, A equals 16. The next one, if the product of first and the second, excuse me. So the three terms were A minus D, A plus D, alva. These are your three terms. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, the product of the first and the second. The first one A minus D, second one ಏನು A. Product ಅಂದ್ರೇನು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it exceeds 4 times the third term. Okay, 4 times the third term ಅಂದ್ರೇನು 4 into A plus D. Exceeds ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ 12. So exceeds 4 times third term by 12. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 times the third term, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 12 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, so plus 12. Now substitute the value of A and find the value of D. A value ಏನು 16 ಅಲ್ವಾ, so 16 minus D into 16 equals 4 times 16 plus D equals 12, sorry, plus 12. Solve it. Solve it, you get the value of D. D is how much? 9, right? If you solve it, D, you should get it as 9. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. From here, I hope you guys can solve it. Please solve it from here. Okay. I hope you can solve it. So I'm going to erase it. Let's go to the next problems. Next problems are very easy. You got 3 terms, right? Next to 4 terms. Take down. Find 4 numbers in AP. Find 4 numbers in AP. Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20. Whose sum is 20 and sum of their squares is 120. Find 4 numbers in AP. Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of their squares is 120. Okay, na? Solution. Tell me, Joyce, Callan, could you tell me what will be the 4 numbers that we have to take? Let the 4 numbers be what?
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
Yeah. Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of their squares is 120. Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of their squares is 120. Yes, Tarun, could you tell me what are the 4 numbers that we have to take? Let the 4 numbers be what and what? I've given in the note, right?
A minus 3D.
Yeah. Very good.
A minus D.
A minus D.
A plus D. A plus 3D.
Yeah, very good. So if I add all this 4, I'll get 20. That is the thing that the question says. A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D. If I add everything, it gives me 20. Yes, Liba, could you tell me what will happen in the next step? Liba, could you tell me? I hope I'm pronouncing your name properly. Could you tell me what happens in the next step? Okay.
We should
let's
find
go.
A, sir.
How will you find A? What happens? What is happening? Fog is happening. Huh? So minus t plus t gets cancelled. Minus 3d plus 3d gets cancelled. Cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? minus d plus d cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. minus 3d plus 3d cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. What is left out? There are 4 a's which are in positive. So 4a is equal to 20. Therefore a is equal to 5. 20 by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 20 by 4 is 5. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ sum of their squares ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. sum of their squares ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? sum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. a minus 3d the whole square plus a minus d the whole square plus a plus d the whole square plus a plus 3d the whole square. Sum of their squares is how much? 120. a value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 5 minus 3d the whole square plus 5 minus d the whole square plus 5 plus d the whole square plus 5 plus 3d the whole square equals 120. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು 5 minus 3d the whole square ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3d ನ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. 5 plus 3d the whole square. 5 ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ 5 minus d the whole square plus 5 plus d the whole square equals 120. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, can anyone tell me these two things are in which form? These two things are in which form? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತರ ರಿಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Which is that formula which I gave you now? A
Yes, sir.
minus b the whole
Yes, sir.
square plus a plus b the whole
A
square.
plus b the whole
After I
square.
get- yeah, we have to write it as 2 times a square plus b square. So 2 times a andre 5, so 5 square plus b is 3d over here. b is 3d, so b square andre 3d whole square anta barkobeku. 2 times a square plus b square. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 2 times a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 square plus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? b is d, so d square. a square plus b square equal to 120. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. 5 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 25. So let's write it. 2 times 5 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 25 plus 3d whole square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Fida, what does 3d whole square become?
9d, sir.
9d square. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9, d ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ d ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Okay,
ಇಷ್ಟ
sir.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದನ್ನ 2 times 5 square is 25, d square is d square itself equal to 120. Multiply ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 into 25 is 50, 2 into 9 is 18. Again 2 into 25 is 50, 2 into d is 2d square equal to 120. Like terms add ಮಾಡೋಣ. 50 50 like terms 100. 18d square 2d square. 18d square plus 2d square is 20d square equals 120. ಈ 100 ನ ಈಚೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ. 20d square equal to 120 minus 100. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 20d square equal to 20. d square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 20 by 20 gets cancelled. You will be left with 1. Therefore d square is equal to 1. d ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Plus or minus root 1. What is plus or minus root 1? What is square root of 1? 1 itself. Therefore d is equal to plus or minus root 1. Well, positive irutte, negative irutte, but we'll take the value of positive 1. So a value 5 bantu, d value 1 bantu. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, which you will be doing it. Do it and tell me the numbers. I hope I have not confused. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 20, so a value ಸಿಕ್ತು. Sum of their squares ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ the first and the last, these two. So ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತರ ಇದೆ, I have done it. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತರ ಇದೆ, I have used it. Then I have simplified it. Nothing's difficult. See,
Sir, the
all
numbers are
these
2, 4,
problems
6
are not.
and 8.
Yeah, very good, Vishwas. Very good. Vishwas is from which school?
Sir, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mysore.
Okay, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mysore. Okay, good. Has any of your school have done such type of problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, I don't know about
sir.
CBSE. CBSE papers I have not seen much, but state board papers, if you observe such type of questions, you can see in many papers. Many state board papers, you will have these type of 4 marks. Okay. So we are told we'll be doing only from NCERT. We are also doing apart from NCERT also. That is to make sure that you have to face the exam in any manner. Even if they twist the question, you have to be ready.
Sir, numbers are 2, 4, 6, and 8.
You substitute A as 5, D is 1. So 3 ones are 3 agate. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. Therefore, the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Can I give exactly similar problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take the same question, just change the numbers. Okay. The sum is 24. The sum is 24. Sorry, 28. Sorry, 28. Find 4 numbers in AP. You sum is 28 and sum of their squares is 216. 216. The sum is 28. 20 is jagdali 28 togoli. 120 is jagdali. Take it as 216. 216. Okay. Exactly same problem. Try it out.
Sir, say again, sir.
Find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 28 and sum of their squares is 216. Last problem ittalva. Same question. 20 badlige 28 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 20 badlige 28. 120 ಬದಲು 216. 216.
Sir, A is 7.
A is 7. Sorry. Yeah. A is 7. Yeah. Correct. Very good. A is 7. Good.
7.
Yeah. Very good. Very good.
A7.
Yeah. Excellent, guys. A value is 7. Very good. Find out the D value.
Sir, the numbers are 4, 6, 8, and 10.
4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, let's check it. What was the value of D that you got?
Sir, D is equal to 1.
1.
Okay, D was equal to 1. Okay, would have got 216 minus how much?
Sir, 216 minus 196.
Okay, 196. So you would have got 20. So again, 20 d square is equal to 20. So I've got d square as 1. Yeah, d is equal to plus or minus 1. Excellent. Yeah, good. Very good. So a value is 7 and d value is 1. So we'll actually plus or minus 1 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. Plus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2468 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ 8642. ಅದೇ ತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ plus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ how much you get? 4. What are the numbers?
4, 6,
7
8, and
minus
10.
Yeah, 4, 6, 8, 10. Minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ 10, 8, 6, 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. Has everyone got the answer? ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದೀನೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 5 ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 7 ಬರ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 7 ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ. That's it. So last one problem, with that AP chapter will be completed. Next class I'm going to start with real numbers. Okay, you're very good. Most of you are giving me the answer. Excellent. Next chapter I'm going to start with real numbers. Okay, I'm giving you the topic now itself. So most of your CBSE schools have finished with real numbers. It will be a good revision for you. Since I'm doing it again, definitely will be a good revision, and definitely will be solving many problems. Is it finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last one problem. Okay. Last one problem. Just last one problem. We'll take it. 1 second. Last one problem. With that AP chapter is completed. Very soon you'll be having a test. Okay, it will be updated by the management people. Okay, they'll tell you what subject you got and what is the timings, all of the stuff. You will have both MCQs and the descriptive, like the writing part and the MCQ both. Okay.
Sir, when will be the test?
Yeah, as I said, the people, okay, the head of the institute will be letting you know, and the test will be on Sundays itself. Yeah, the angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. The angles of a quadrilateral, are in AP. Okay, whose common difference is 120, sorry, 10 degrees, sir. Whose common difference is 10 degrees. Find the angles. Very interesting one. Find the angles. The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. The angles of the quadrilateral are in AP, whose common difference is 10. Whose common difference is 10 degrees. Find the angles. Let's see how many of you will do it.
Sir, A equals 5.
A equals 5. How come you got A as 5?
Sir, I got A is equal to 90 degree.
A is equal to how much?
90 degree.
Okay. How come you got A is equal to 90? Could you explain?
Sir, I got 5 because I have taken it as 4 angles: A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. I have substituted.
Okay, you added it. Added is equal to how much? Did you take it as 10?
Yes, sir.
That's wrong.
Sir, I took it as
thing.
360 degree.
Subtracted it.
Yeah, okay.
I've subtracted.
Here. The angles of the quadrilateral ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎರಡೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ a minus 3d, that is also correct, or you can also directly take this a plus d, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ. ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೋರ್ 4 angles ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೋರ್ 4 angles. ಈ 4 angles ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 360 degrees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್. ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 angles ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 4 angles ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 360 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 a's, 1 2 3 4a plus how many d's? d plus 2d is 3d, 3d plus 3d is 6d. 6d is equal to 360. d ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 4a plus 6 into 10 equals 360. 6 into 10 is 60. 16 ಆಸೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. 4a is equal, sorry, 4a plus 60 equals 360. ಇವಾಗ ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ 16 ಆಸೆಗೆ. 4a equals 360 minus 60. 4a equals 300. Therefore, a is equal to 300 by 4. 4 ones are 475s are. Therefore, the value of a is 75. Therefore, the value of a is 75. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಲ್ಲ, a 75 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 85 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 95 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 105. Therefore, the angles are 75, 85, 95, 105. That's it. Is that clear? D value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. 4 angle ನ, it's a quadrilateral. If you add all the 4 angles, you will get 360 degrees. Indirect ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 360 ಅಂತ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? ದಿ angles of quadrilateral ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 angles ಇದೆ. 4 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 360. So 4 a's are there. 60 equals 360. D value is 10. Substitute it, you will get it. So a value is 75. D ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 10 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 10 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 75, 85, 95, 105. Those are the answer. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. That's it, guys. So AP is also completed. I hope you have understood. If there is any doubt regarding the AP chapter, you can stay back and you can clarify the doubts. If there is no doubts, as I know most of you won't have any doubts, right? You won't ask any doubts. It's a common thing in all the classes. So you got doubt, you can clarify. Otherwise, you can enjoy the rest of the day. You can also enjoy your weekend. Happy weekend. So I'll be back on Monday to trouble you. Okay. Until then, enjoy yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Fine, thank you, sir.
Bye, bye, bye. Yes, Anika.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Anika. Wait, Shreya. Yes. Tell me, Sanika.
Sir, the last problem answer, I did not get it correct.
What happened?
Sir, I'm getting the wrong answer.
No, you took it as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d. Atra tagondra.
Sir. Sir, I
What
got
is
the
the answer
value
that
of
you got?
A value is 7 only.
Okay. A value is how much you got?
7.
No, that's wrong. A value cannot be 7. Heng bantu 7 explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ತರನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ? A minus 3D. So A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ? A minus 3D, comma A plus D, sorry, A minus D, comma A plus D, A plus 3D. What did you do in the next step?
Sir, I cancelled the plus 3D and minus 3D and minus D plus D.
Okay, you cancelled all the stuff. Will equal to ಏನಿತ್ತು?
28.
28 ಯಾಕೆ? ಇದು angles ಅಲ್ವಾ? All these are
No,
4
sir.
angles.
No, sir, not this problem. Last one. Previous problem.
Okay, the last one. Okay, the previous one. So A value 7 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is correct ma. Coming to D, ಈ ತರ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, the sum of squares ಅಲ್ವಾ? So A minus 3D the whole square plus A minus D the whole square plus A plus D the whole square plus A plus 3D the whole square equal to 216 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Sir.
A value 7 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 7 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 7 minus 3D the whole square plus 7 minus D the whole square plus 7 plus D the whole square plus 7 plus 3D the whole square equal to 216. Next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ?
Sir,
Next
we
ಏನ್
have to
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
group the terms.
Rearrange. Group or rearrange. 7 minus 3D the whole square plus 7 plus 3D the whole square. 7 minus D the whole square plus 7 plus D the whole square equal to 216. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತರ ಇದೆ. A minus B the whole square plus A plus B the whole square. ಆ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 times A square plus B square. 2 times A square plus B square. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 2 times A square plus B square. Okay. So 2 times 7 square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 49. 3D the whole square is 9D square. Again 7 square is 49. D square is D square itself. So 216. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. ಇವಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 into 49 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 98 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into 9 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 18D square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into 49 is 98 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into D square is D square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2D square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ equal to 216. 98 plus 98 is 196 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 18 plus 2D square is 20D square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ equal to 216. ಈ 196 ನ ಆಸೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ. 20D square is equal to 216 minus 196. 216 minus 196 is 20 itself. 20D square is equal to 20. Therefore, D square is equal to 1. D value.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? There must be a network issue. Now I guess I'll be audible properly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So another doubt is here. 98 plus 98 is 196. 18D square plus 2D square is 20D square.
I got it.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Good.
Sir,
Yes, Kirtana.
sir, when will you do the triangles chapter, sir?
Triangles chapter I'm going to do it in September month. After this month, from September 2nd, I'm going to start with triangles. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
they have
Yes.
already started for us.
Okay. Congratulations. Very good.
Sir, real numbers will be last chapter for us, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, if you are state board, I'll give you one more happy news. There might be a chance where they might eliminate real numbers chapter itself. Entire chapter na remove ಮಾಡಬಹುದು state board syllabus ಗೆ. Okay na? But CBSE syllabus idare alva. So enjoy, you will enjoy it. That chapter is really nice. Okay, it will be very interesting one. Learn it, no problem. You won't lose anything, right?
Okay, sir.
No problem. But don't worry, all the chapters which are required for CBSE and state board, both will be covered. Okay, more than that, it will be covered. Don't worry. Just
Thank
focus
you.
on your exam.
Thank you, sir.
Final exam is important, right? More than your school FA1, SA1. Adikina yav important your final exam, right? Concentrate on that. Meanwhile, if there is any doubt, you can ask me after the class. Okay. Any chapter you got doubt, definitely I'll clarify. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Manya, what is that? With some? Manya? Manya, are you there? You have asked for some problem. I don't know which one is that. Okay, can you please solve the sum further which you did? You mean to say this sum or the next problem which I did? Angles of a quadrilateral. Okay, this one. This one is easy, right? The sum of the numbers is 28. Nalaku number na add madre 28 barutte. Using that I got 7. Okay, sum of their squares andre a minus 3d the whole square plus a minus d the whole square. 4 numbers ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಯಾವುದು a minus 3d a minus d a plus d a plus 3d 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 7 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. a ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 7 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ this and this 7 minus 3d 7 plus 3d ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ 7 minus d 7 plus d ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ? ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 times a square plus b square. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 times a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? a is 7 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 2 times a square plus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3d. ಸೊ b square. ಅದಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. So 2 times formula ಏನು? 2 times a square. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7, so 7 square plus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? d ಅಲ್ವಾ? So d square equals 216. ಇವಾಗ 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಏನು? ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 49, 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 49, ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 3d ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. 3 ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, d ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ d ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ 3 ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 9, d ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ d ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. Am I audible? Just hold on for a minute. Just a I'm sorry. Yeah. So I was telling this 7 square is 49, 3d whole square is 90 square. Again 7 square is 49, d square as it is. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 into 49 is 98. 2 into 9 is 18. d square ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Next 2 into 49 is 98. 2 into d square is 2d square. ಈ 98 ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 196. 18 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 20. Yeah, 196 ನ ಆಸೆಟ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ. 216 minus 196 is 20. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Yeah, is that clear? Okay. Yeah, so if you're finished, no doubt, that's it guys. Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye, take care.